Okay, first you register your account. Okay, this referral link you will find into the description of this video. Okay, this is my referral code, and just click here for registration. Okay, after clicking here, it will automatically open onto a browser. Okay, you must check during registration. Okay, this is my user ID. Okay, you can also manual type it, or okay, if already it will appear, just fill this form. Okay, first name, last name, everything, and check this, and okay, verify yourself. Click here to sign up. Okay, in this way. After registration, okay, after you will register using my referral link, you will get okay team bonus. Okay, this is extra benefit for you. Okay, I again welcome new members, okay, to join our professional team and to earn commissions, to communicate new people, or to take profits on their according to their investments. Okay, to get extra team bonus in this way. Hello and welcome new episode of Mohammed Programmers Technology. Today's I am going to show you how to invest or deposit TrillionToro.com company. Okay, many new investors are asking how to invest and activate their accounts on TrillionToro.com company. See, first I am opening TrillionToro.com. Okay, after opening TrillionToro.com, just click here dashboard. As you will see here, click here on dashboard. Here is showing. Okay, after clicking here dashboard, as you will see here, then okay, click here. After clicking, as you will see here, sign in or login page will appear. Okay, just I am logging in. My account is already activated. This is my referral account. See how to activate this. Okay, just click here. Okay, for verification captcha. I am not a robot. Verified. Then click here to login. Okay, after clicking login, then dashboard will appear. Okay, your account dashboard will appear. Okay, as you will see here, dashboard will appear. Okay, here now here click here investment. Okay, investment, and click here add crypto. Okay, here is two options: perfect money, depositing, investing using perfect money. PM means perfect money, or crypto. In this case I want to crypto. Just click here. After clicking crypto, okay, that screen, depositing screen will appear. Okay, depositing screen will appear. As you will see here, first is perfect money and second one is add crypto. First type here is okay, enter 100 USDT here. Okay, after entering 100 USDT here, as you will see here, okay, select Dogecoin. Why I am selecting Dogecoin? Why I am not selecting Bitcoin or other Litecoin? Okay, because Bitcoin transaction fee is very high in Binance Exchange. I am using Binance Exchange to deposit $100. Okay, transaction fee or withdrawal fee is very high in Binance Exchange, so I am not using BTC. Okay, so I am using Dogecoin because Dogecoin transaction fee is very low. Okay, select and click here add. As you will see here, kindly transfer the appropriate crypto value displayed 332.9163. okay, and this is the address. Just click here to copy it. After copying, okay, then click here to onto Binance Exchange, okay, Dogecoin, and paste that address here. Okay, paste, and here is a space bracket. Okay, selected. Dogecoin address is automatically selected. If not selected, you can select here. This is Dogecoin. Okay, it's already selected. Okay, transaction fee is what? 5 Doge equal to 1.54 is a transaction fee. Okay, if not selected, you can click here, select it. Okay, after that it's automatically selected. You must note and double check address, everything is correct. Okay, then copy appropriate amount, copy this amount and paste on here. Okay, and 332.9163 amount. Okay, 5 Dogecoin is on network fee, included total 327.9163 Doge, as you are seeing here. Okay, but if you want to accurate amount 332, then what to do? Okay, you must calculate both of them. Okay, but this amount not match. According to this, I want to deposit total 100 USD. Okay, but it's after 5 Doge transaction fee, it's 327. If you want to deposit equal amount, then what to do? Okay, now I am telling you the calculate. Okay, first calculate 332 minus 332.9163 minus 327. 5 Doge is transaction fee, then this 5 Doge plus total amount you must deposit 337.9163. if you calculate is convert this into dollar USD, see what to do. 337.9163 equal to 104 USD approximately, because $1.5 is transaction fee, $3, okay, that's network fee. Or during this time Doge coin, okay, rate is going up and down, so some slippage or fluctuations is occurring here, okay. $100 package plan here is showing what amount that's increasing equal to 104, okay. After depositing also you see the package plan is equal to 100 or some difference, okay, or high. First I am completing this transaction, just copy this amount, okay, equal amount, copy and paste on here, okay. Paste that amount here, okay. After pasting, see what happened. 333.9163 or 332. Here is showing what 332, okay, 9163, same amount showing, okay. It's time, click here to withdraw. Everything is correct. Your final step, click here to continue, okay. I am entering code, then back again, okay. After entering code, just click here to submit, okay. As you will see, withdrawal will complete successfully, okay. And showing here recent withdrawal history, okay. It takes 1 minute to complete, okay. After that just click here to verify, and here is showing transaction successfully verify, okay. After depositing and all confirmations completed, okay. As you will see here, confirmations and completed. After depositing, okay, just click here and it's showing transaction successfully verify. Now click here, I am done. As you will see here, here is showing 100 USD, okay. 100 USD has been deposited into which wallet? Tito wallet, TITO. But it's not. Now your next step is what, okay. Now just click here and activate your package plan, okay. Click here to activate plan. After clicking here, as you will see here, your package plan start from DIAM, okay. Type here amount 100 USD, okay, and here is your enter pin, okay. This pin you will get during registration of your account, okay. Sometimes your login password and pin, security pin, is same, okay. You must be noted and check it. otherwise you can change it anytime. Okay, just click security and profile, you can change it. Okay, now I am typing here pin to invest now. As you will see here, your investment has been successfully completed. Okay, now click here dashboard. Okay, now my total investment is $100 in this way. Okay, before that it's showing here, now it's showing here total investment $100. Okay, you must be noted and remember, after depositing 100 USDT, don't leave it into Tito wallet. You must click here and activate it, then your daily profits will be started. Okay, in this way. I hope you will understand everything in this video. God bless you and each of every one of you. Thanks.